I know I'm gonna get my usual, where's the base videos, bro? A lot of people have been asking me to show the tool change. I go live almost every day on my Instagram channel and people say, hey, show me the tool change. Well, I've never showed you guys hardly anything on YouTube so far since I bought the thing. All I showed you was it showing up and me bringing it in the shop. But in all honesty, that thing went right to work. As soon as I figured out how to operate it, it's been game over. That thing has just been doing nothing but moving. So I'm getting ready to start this Escalade build. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. In the meantime, my shop is just so busy. I don't even know where I'm gonna find time. I'm gonna make time. I don't really even know what I wanna do yet, but I'm gonna make time. But I just want to show you guys a little something that I do over here at the shop, and I just want to add a little something to this story. I got a full-size 4x8 laser table on the way, a Laguna, so it's just gonna get even more busy over at my shop. So hang tight. If you guys want to see how that thing works, as soon as I figure it out, you know I'm gonna show you. So thanks for subscribing, and we got this Escalade build coming up. I promise I'll get to it as soon as possible. Out.